We got a drug deal happening right there. Two people in face masks popping up together. He opens the trunk. What happens next? He pops out a box. Dude's coming over, takes some cash out of the box. He's, what else is going down? He opens the box, shows him the goods, hands him the box with the goods in there. Watch him, he'll take it out and sniff it. He opened it up, he looked at it, something was exchanged. Oh, the material was so good, the dude's questioning the cash. What else is happening there? He's talking about more shipments coming in. Butt plugs are coming in. Oh, I wonder if they can hear me or not. There's cameras here so they can hear me, I know that, because they're wired. These are solar panels on the top. But yeah, a live drug deal happening right there. He's asking him directions. Now, is this the one? Can I do some booger sugar with it? And if you guys don't know what booger sugar means when you take drugs, you grind it down and you shove it up your butt. Legit, I'm not lying, that's what booger sugar is. Do some booger sugar with it. But my question is, what scenario in life or what happens in your life where that question pops up? That should we booger sugar this? Like, why? What is going down? I need to know like the context of like what's happening. That the only option you have left is booger sugar. Curious. It's gonna keep me up at night. They're still talking about it. He's verifying the cash. He's on his phone. And I have lost interest. Alright, so we bend. Okay, so nothing is bothering me now, but it was. So what that about? No, I think I found it. What is it? It's just a zipper of my leathers. I'd be aching my body. This is, yeah, once again, homeless people, food bank. The drug deal went smoothly. Look at beautiful Broly. It is good weather. I don't know how much you guys will be able to see since the GoPro gets hot because it's recording. And if it's cold outside and foggy, then we have the lens gets fogged up because of humidity or whatever. And yeah. How much do you want to bet the dude's gonna turn and come this way? Okay, never mind. We shall get back to it. But that's what happens when drug deals are happening out in the open. Like that. I had a buddy. He didn't do drugs. But he used to sell legal things. Emphasis on that. In Go-Gurt packets. So I wonder how much of a dent his business took when he couldn't find Go-Gurt packets anymore, because I don't think they don't sell Go-Gurt anymore, do they? I think they do. Never mind. I think I've seen that. Sometimes I wish I had a bra. Let me rephrase that. Sometimes I wish I was a girl who can then wear a bra, because I could put stuff in there. And you guys are curious on what I'm talking about, like what would I want to put in there? Stay tuned and you'll know what and how a bra would be a good thing for riding insane. So I think we got rid of the issue that was bugging us. So we're back out on the streets. Hopefully we have money, we have enough gas to get to our location. We'll see though. Wait, I gotta check something. I messed around with the light, so I don't know. I want to make sure the LEDs are popping the way I like it. Yeah, that dude is booger sugaring it up in his car. Booger sugar. That looks nice. I like the color scheme, white and blue. Alright, we need gas, so we're gonna get on that. Hopefully we can make it. If not, it's gonna be really sad. And we off! I like that. I'm not playing. I couldn't tell that much, so I'm gonna say no. Usually you can't tell, it's usually a pass. And there's something digging into my body. Again, that's okay. Ease life, ease life. So we're gonna change modes. We're gonna tell my baby Broly to hit it up and to lower down her power level, because we don't want that power. I don't think, since her power level is at medium, I would say that would take more gas. So we're gonna tell baby Broly to is lower down her power level, keep her suppressed until we get gas, aka a protein shake, aka not a protein shake, a pre-workout, because technically we did just start riding not too long ago. Let us hit them streets, two streets. Pick a lane, pick a lane, pick a lane. Thank you. What up, dog? Chunky, monkey, couple, youngins. So fun story while we go get some get a pre-workout from my baby girl is that my baby girl, before it has died down on us, because she didn't have protein shake in her, aka gasoline, for those who don't know what we do on this channel and how this bike is different from other bikes. It doesn't take gasoline, and takes protein shakes and pre-workouts. But yeah, it's died down on us before, but in the garage, so safely. Sometimes when I'm not riding baby Broly, I still want to get her, make sure she's getting her macros in, right? So the way we get her macros in is you make sure that, you know, she's getting in her proteins, her carbs, all that goodies. She getting, and blah, blah, blah. Long story short, so whenever I go in my garage to start it up to make sure, you know, she's, you know, hitting up her macros, filling everything, she died down on me. So the bike was running, and I let her run for like a good 2-3 minutes, and then I closed it so then the battery stays alive and running, and we don't have any issues. Because sometimes I've had bikes where the battery died out because it was plugged in basically, right? So if you leave your battery on, it's just like a car. If you don't start the car and use the car, the battery is gonna die. If the battery dies, then you gotta get a new one, or you gotta charge it. And then sometimes the battery can't be charged past a certain point. So my idiot, stupid self, I came back from her house. Usually I ride for like 3-4 hours, and sometimes I get lazy and I don't give her a post-workout shake right after it's done, and the light comes on just like that, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna head home. Next time I ride, I'll do it then because I'm so tired. So this one time what happened was the gas was so low, and I had started the bike in the garage probably like 3 or 4 times over the course of a couple of days or weeks or something, and yeah, I ran out of gas and the bike just died. And I first thought it was a battery issue, but then I was like, wait, the bike's new, it shouldn't be a battery issue. And then using my little noggin, my beautiful noggin, then I understood that, hey, it could be gas. So went to a gas station, got some protein, threw it up in her, and she was grand spanking new. So that was the issue, is that I need to take better care of my babies. And that dude is tan like a mug. You saw that? You could tell he's a white boy, but he is tan like a mug. This dude's not even looking back, he's just popping out. Oh dear. I was gonna let them go, but he's not even looking at me. What up, girl? We got a dirt bike, we got an old Mitsubishi GTO King. I think I've seen that somewhere. Alright, we got a gas station right there. I was gonna go somewhere else to get gas because I like to get gas there, but we're already on 9 miles afterwards, so I don't know how long she's gonna go, so I don't want to take a chance. Oh, sluts. Oh my god, it's so bumpy. I'm telling you, man, homeless people, dime a dozen. And he was so nice to wave. And I call him a homeless man. When will I learn? When will I learn? Oh, on a Tuesday. Those dudes are all staring at me wearing purple and pink. I feel violated, man. What number is this? Number 8? Ducati Ninja 300. All day, every day. Can't fool me. GoPro, stay put, record everything. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Throwing it up on a Tuesday. Could I get 7 on 8, please? Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome, man. I didn't even see him. I was about to smack that door like a hoe. I didn't see him. Look how Broly peeking at us like that, man. As soon as I said 7, I regretted it because I don't need 7. I need more than that. I need like a what up, shorty? I need more than that. Your boy need a lot more than that. There's that AMG we were talking about. But so yeah, now I remember, if you guys remember what I was talking about, I wish I had a bra. And the reason I wish I had a bra, because I wouldn't have to keep stuffing stuff in my pocket here down her. Instead, I would just zip up, zip down, put it in the bra, take it out of there, because girls be doing the what up AMG. She is thirsty. She's a thirsty. Fat dudes, cause she could come in short shorts, denim shorts, jean shorts. So usually you have a gallon of reserve. That's how it runs. So whenever your fuel light comes on, you're supposed to have a gallon left. I gotta see if Ducati's the same. So usually the tank holds, I think, like 4.5. Again, I'm going off of other bikes and not this one. Yeah, so since it's holding, so like with Yamaha or Kakar, I'll tell you guys. She says, so that says sluts. You know what? Slut. There you go. So with cat crowd, what happens is that she holds, I think, 4.5 liters. So as soon as I hit my fuel light comes on, that means I got 1 liter, or not 1 liter, 1 gallon. I don't know math, but let's just say gallon. 4.5 gallons it has. Light fuel light comes on when you got 1 gallon left, and again, I could be wrong with the gallons or liters. So then what you have to do is when you go in to get your gas or whatever, you need around 3.5, a little bit more since you were riding McLaren. So that's how it usually works. But again, that just depends on how big the tank is. I know this Broly's tank is bigger than the other bikes, I believe. Probably not Nimbus, but maybe Nimbus too. I don't know. But it's bigger, so she drank more. She wanted more of that protein. She a big girl, thick girl. Whoever's doing that needs to calm down. If she's too Cadillac, you gotta calm down. Yeah, it's him. So I don't know what the reserve is. We'll have to read the manual. So once we do all that Broly episodes, learn the bike stuff, we'll go over all of that. Do looks racist. I don't know, I'm just saying. Assume things. Gucci things. So yeah, we good. But yeah, so that's usually how it runs. I doubt this is gonna be enough gas though. I doubt it. And the reason we gotta do cash instead of anything else is because people, when you slide over here, you know that card reader, a lot of people, bad people, they can read your card. So if you put your card, they get the data for it, and then they start buying random sex dolls off of your credit card. And then you gotta explain to the world, which basically is the credit card company, that no, I did not purchase sex dolls.